Who knew hamsters could help you win $5,000 in crypto? Let's dive into the Hamster Kombat airdrop on Binance. First things first, what's Hamster Kombat? It's a DeFi project centered around adorable yet innovative hamsters. Think cuteness meets crypto genius. Step 1, to join the airdrop, head to their website or app. Sign up if you haven't already and find the airdrop section. Easy peasy. Step 2, check if you're eligible. Usually you'll need some Hamster Kombat tokens, ham, or to complete tasks like following their social media. Simple, right? Step 3, stay updated. Follow their announcements on social media or community forums so you don't miss out on any changes. Nobody likes missing out. Step 4, boost your chances by engaging with the Hamster Kombat community. Join discussions and help others out. It's a win-win. And that's it, folks. You're now ready to potentially win $5,000 from the Hamster Kombat crypto airdrop. Opportunities like these are rare, so jump in and get involved. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy trading and good luck with